What to expect during a roof replacement. Think your roof replacement will be a nightmare? After installing over 8,000 roofs in the last 24 years, let me show you exactly what happens, step by step, so you know what to expect and can spot if your contractor is cutting corners. Let me explain something important. I can't speak for all roofing contractors, but in our 24 years of installing thousands of roofs throughout the tri-state area, we've developed a master plan for effectively, efficiently, and safely installing a new roof. This isn't something we just came up with overnight. It's been refined through years of experience, learning from every possible scenario you can imagine. You see, a roof replacement is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home. Get it right, and you'll have decades of protection and peace of mind. Get it wrong, and you could be looking at extensive damage, costly repairs, and sleepless nights during every storm. That's why understanding exactly what should happen during your roof replacement is so critical. In this video, I will walk you through our entire process, from the moment our crew arrives to the final inspection. You'll learn what to expect at each stage, what to look for to ensure quality work, and most importantly, how to spot if corners are being cut. This is the exact same process we've used to successfully install thousands of roofs, and today, I'm sharing it with you. But before we dive in, let me share something that might surprise you. Proper roof installation isn't just about the shingles. There's actually a complex system of components that work together to protect your home. Understanding this system is crucial because it's often where less experienced contractors make costly mistakes. Phase 1, the morning setup, protecting your property. Let me start with something that might seem simple but is absolutely crucial: timing. Our crews typically arrive between 7 and 8 a.m., and there's a specific reason for this. Show up too early, and you risk disturbing your neighbors. Show up too late, and you might not have enough daylight hours to complete the job properly. This timing isn't random. It's calculated to maximize efficiency while respecting your neighborhood. The first thing you'll notice is our crew immediately beginning to protect your property. Think of this like preparing for surgery. Before we even touch your roof, we need to create a safe, controlled environment. Our teams will systematically place tarps around your home and on the ground. This isn't just about catching debris, it's about protecting your landscaping, your windows, and your siding from any potential damage. Here's a critical tip. If you see a roofing crew that skips this protection step or does it haphazardly, that's your first red flag. A quality contractor knows that proper preparation prevents problems. Phase 2, the coordinated dance. Material delivery and setup. About 60 to 90 minutes after our crew arrives, you'll see the beginning of what I like to call the coordinated dance. This is when our material delivery truck arrives with everything needed for your new roof. The timing here is intentional. It gives our crew time to set up proper protection and prepare the workspace before materials arrive. The materials will be boomed onto your roof, and our roofers will then unload them by hand. This is another critical moment where experience matters. Proper material placement on your roof isn't just about convenience. It's about preventing structural stress and ensuring efficient installation. We also coordinate with our dumpster companies to arrive just after the material delivery is complete. This precise timing prevents any conflicts between vendors and ensures a smooth operation. It might seem like a small detail, but this level of coordination is what separates professional operations from amateur ones. Phase 3, the tear-off, revealing what lies beneath. Now comes one of the most crucial parts of the entire process: removing your old roof. This isn't just about tearing off old shingles. Our crews are trained to look for potential issues that might be hidden beneath the surface. As the old roofing material comes off, we have a dedicated cleanup worker who begins putting the debris into the dumpster. This continuous cleanup process is essential for safety and efficiency. But here's what many homeowners don't realize. This stage is about much more than just removal. Once the old roof is off, we perform a thorough inspection of your wood decking. This is absolutely critical. Your decking is the foundation for your entire roofing system. We'll replace any wood that won't last the life of your new roof. Here's a pro tip. If your contractor skips this inspection or tries to install new shingles over damaged decking, without a doubt, be looking at potential problems down the road. Phase 4, the installation, building your protection system. This is where the real craftsmanship comes into play. We start by installing a series of underlayments, including ice and water shield, and a vapor barrier to your entire roof surface. Think of this as your roof's first line of defense. It's what protects your home even before the shingles go on. The ice and water shield is particularly crucial in our climate. It prevents ice dams from causing water backup under your shingles during winter months. This is often where less experienced contractors cut corners, but skipping this step can lead to serious water damage. Next comes the installation of your new shingles. But here's something most homeowners don't know. Proper shingle installation is about more than just nailing them in place. It's about proper overlap, correct nail placement, and ensuring proper ventilation. These details might seem small, but they're what determine whether your roof lasts 10 years or 30 years. Phase 5, quality control, ensuring everything's perfect. After everything is installed, our crew doesn't just pack up and leave. We perform a thorough inspection of the entire roof. We are checking every detail, from proper nail placement to correct overlaps, from flashing installation to ridge vent alignment. We also review our work order to ensure that everything was installed exactly as promised to you. This isn't just about meeting specifications, it's about exceeding them. We want to make sure your new roof isn't just good, but perfect. So there you have it, the complete breakdown of what happens during a professional roof replacement. Remember, a quality roof installation isn't just about the materials used. It's about the process, the attention to detail, and the experience of the crew installing it. Let me leave you with this final thought. Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. The difference between a roof that lasts 30 plus years and one that fails prematurely often comes down to how it was installed on day one. If you're considering a roof replacement, take time to understand this process and make sure your contractor follows a similar systematic approach. Your home's protection and your peace of mind depend on it. Want to learn more about protecting your home's roof? Check out my next video where I reveal the 3 warning signs that your roof needs immediate attention. Click the video on screen now to make sure you're not missing these critical signals.